Welcome to this in-depth review of Benchmark Email, a cloud-based email marketing platform designed to help businesses create, automate, and optimize email campaigns. In this video, I'll take you through the platform's features, user interface, pricing, and overall usability, so you can determine whether it's the right tool for your email marketing needs. Starting off, let's look at the Benchmark Email dashboard. After signing in, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate. The main dashboard provides an overview of your recent campaigns, contact lists, and reports. One thing that stands out immediately is how beginner-friendly the platform is, with guided prompts to help new users set up their first email campaign quickly. Now, let's dive into the campaign creation process. Clicking on Create Email takes you to a step-by-step builder, where you can choose from various email templates or start from scratch. Benchmark Email offers a drag-and-drop editor, which allows you to customize every element of your email easily. Whether you want to add images, buttons, or dynamic content, everything is accessible within a few clicks. The platform also provides an HTML editor for advanced users who prefer coding their emails manually. A key strength of Benchmark Email is its automation tools. With the automation feature, you can create email sequences based on triggers like user engagement, signups, or purchases. The automation workflow editor is visually appealing and straightforward, making it easy to set up drip campaigns, welcome sequences, and re-engagement emails without needing technical expertise. Deliverability is another crucial factor, and Benchmark Email performs well in this area. The platform offers tools to improve inbox placement, including spam testing, A/B testing, and advanced segmentation options. You can segment your email list based on user behavior, demographics, or engagement history, ensuring your emails reach the right audience at the right time. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Next, let's talk about integrations. Benchmark Email integrates with numerous third-party platforms, including Shopify, WordPress, Zapier, and Salesforce. These integrations make it easier to sync contacts, automate workflows, and track performance across different marketing channels. Whether you're running an e-commerce business or a service-based company, these integrations help streamline your email marketing efforts. Pricing is always a key consideration, so let's break it down. Benchmark Email offers a free plan with up to 500 email sends per month, which is great for small businesses or those just starting out. Paid plans start at an affordable price and scale based on the number of subscribers. Higher-tier plans unlock advanced features such as landing pages, in-depth analytics, and priority support. The pricing structure is competitive compared to other email marketing platforms, making it a solid choice for businesses of all sizes. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, Benchmark Email is incredibly user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. The drag-and-drop editor, automation tools, and robust integrations add to its appeal. On the downside, while the free plan is useful, it has limitations, and some advanced automation features are only available in higher-tier plans. Overall, Benchmark Email is a well-rounded email marketing platform that balances ease of use with powerful features. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, this platform provides the tools you need to build and grow effective email campaigns. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth SaaS reviews and digital marketing insights. Thanks for watching.